Roadmap to become a cloud engineer. Think about this. Where do apps like Netflix, Instagram, or Google store their data? Not on your device. Not even on a single server. They run on the cloud. And the people who design, manage, and scale these systems, they are called cloud engineers. A cloud engineer builds and manages cloud infrastructure that powers modern applications. They make sure systems are scalable, reliable, and always available. Cloud computing is used everywhere, from startups to global enterprises. So, how do you become a cloud engineer? Let's break it down step by step. First, understand the basics of cloud computing. Learn what cloud is and how it works. Understand concepts like IaaS, infrastructure as a service PaaS, platform as a service SaaS, software as a service. Also, learn about public, private, and hybrid cloud models. This is your foundation. Next, build strong networking knowledge. Because cloud is built on networks. Learn IP addressing, DNS, load balancing, firewalls. Understanding how systems communicate is critical. Then, learn operating systems. Focus on Linux, it's widely used in cloud environments. Learn basic commands, file systems, permissions, and shell scripting. Windows knowledge is also useful, but Linux is essential. Now, pick a cloud platform. The top ones are AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform. Start with one. AWS is the most popular for beginners. Learn core services like compute, EC2 storage, S3 databases, RDS. After that, learn virtualization and containers. Understand how virtual machines work. Then move to Docker. It helps package applications so they run anywhere. Next, learn Kubernetes. This helps manage and scale containerized applications. Now comes infrastructure as code, IC. Instead of manually setting up servers, you automate everything using code. Tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation. This is a must-have skill for modern cloud engineers. Next, understand DevOps concepts. Learn C/CD pipelines. This helps automate building, testing, and deploying applications. Tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitLab. These are widely used in real-world systems. Monitoring is another key area. You need to track system performance and detect issues. Learn tools like CloudWatch, Prometheus, Grafana, because in cloud systems, downtime is not an option. Now comes security. Cloud security is critical. Learn IAM, identity and access management, encryption, secure APIs, network security, because one mistake can expose entire systems. Now, let's talk about practice. This is where most people fail or succeed. Build real-world projects like deploying a web app on AWS, creating a scalable architecture, setting up C/CD pipelines, hosting a full-stack application. Hands-on experience is everything. But be ready for challenges. Cloud systems can be complex. Debugging issues across distributed systems is not easy. Cost can also increase if systems are not managed properly. That's why optimization and monitoring are important. Think like a cloud engineer. Focus on scalability, reliability, automation. Always ask, how can this system handle millions of users? Because cloud is not just about servers. It's about building systems that never stop. Start your journey today and become a cloud engineer, powering internet behind the scenes.